Hi there. My name is Douglas and I'm from GeoAppSmith. I've got over 7 years of experience under my belt teaching this mobile data collection with ODK course to hundreds of students from all around the world. I know that collecting data in the field can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to it, but don't worry, I'm here to help. Our course is designed specifically for people who need to collect data for research, monitoring, or evaluation purposes. It's perfect for researchers, field workers, and community organizers who don't have any experience with data collection. We use the Open Data Kit (ODK) platform for this course, which is widely considered to be the most user-friendly and flexible data collection tool out there. With ODK, you'll be able to create, deploy, and manage your own mobile forms for data collection with ease. Our course is divided into 5 modules that build on each other. In each module, you'll cover topics like creating a form, deploying the form, collecting data, managing data, and visualizing data. And the best part? Each module comes with hands-on exercises so you can practice what you've learned right away. We've got your back too. If you run into any issues, we'll provide you with a guide to troubleshoot. You're looking for a quick and easy solution for your mobile data collection needs, our mobile data collection with ODK course is perfect for you. Sign up now, and in just about 3 hours, you'll be on your way to collecting data like a pro.